Welcome to the channel. Today, we are going to explore how to manage notifications on the LinkedIn app on your phone. If you often feel overwhelmed by alerts from LinkedIn, this video will help you take control and only receive the notifications that matter to you. First, open the LinkedIn app on your phone. Next, tap on your profile icon located at the top left. Then, scroll down and tap on Settings. After that, select Notifications. Here, you will see several notification categories, such as messages, job alerts, and connecting with others. Next, choose the category you want to manage. For example, if you want to reduce alerts about connections, tap Connecting with Others. Then, turn off Allow Connections-related notifications to stop receiving these specific alerts. You can repeat this process for other categories according to your preferences. Remember to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share it with friends for more helpful LinkedIn tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.